What's up, everybody? This is Ravi Uso back again with another video. Okay, I got a special $40 session. My daughter sent me money and asked me to grab any $20 tickets to grab. So if you guys know me, this is my favorite ticket here, and I want to try another one, this other $20 ticket, just to see how it is. And yeah, so I did a birthday scratch video yesterday, so if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. All right, so I got a $20 $250 million cash explosion, ticket number 6, and then I got $20 $20 million blowout, tickets number, my favorite number, 8. All right, so we're gonna start off with the blowout. I don't usually play this, but I seen there's a lot of bonuses up there, so come on, baby. See if I can get one of them. All right, so all right. Okay, so rules of the game: match any even numbers to the win numbers. Win the prize shown. Reveal that money bag to win, for auto win. And if any 100 bonus spots, reveal a float note or the floating dollar bill symbol, you win $100 instantly. Oh, that would be nice. Load exclusively with price of 30. Oh, okay. This is a $20 ticket. So if I get a match, it's $30 and up. Cool. Right there you go. $30 and up. Odds is 1 in 3.39. Okay, we'll save the bonus for last, and let's see what we got. Starting off with my 49ers, number 5, Niner, my favorite number 8, on ticket number 8. Gamblers 11, Big Fat 40, and number 12. All right. 21. Oh, I thought it was an 8. 18. Woo-hoo-hoo! They got the auto win. Man. And I was just going to say I never found the symbols. But that's awesome right there. Nice. 43. Tennessee, one off of Gamblers 11. 42, 20, 12. Oh, I got a match. 12 and 12. Oh, come on, man. Not too much matches, please. 36. So no 30s and no 20s. No 20s. 15. Woohoo! Big Fat 40's a match. And another money bag. Nice. Big Rose 30. 33. Gamblers 11's a match. 35, no 30s. No 20s. And my number 8 is a match. Woo! Birthday win. Still going. And match on number 9. No 20s. 16. Nope. The lonely one. No 20s. And no 30s. Nice. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 matches. Okay, come on, baby. Let's check out the bonus. Okay, we're looking for that float now. Gold and the lucky 7 Is that a bug? That's a ladybug. Or a beetle. Whatever. I got 7 matching numbers here. We'll come back to that. Alright, my favorite ticket. $250 million cash explosion. Match any of the numbers to the win numbers with the price shown. Money bag there is $100 automatic. Or that 20x, 20 times the price. I wish that money bag was $100, but hopefully it is. Come on. Alright. Ticket number 6. And over odds is 1 in 3.10. Okay. Looking for 2231, GKR's 29, 16, 46, 38, and 37. So no singles. A little of everything, right? Forgot a quick reminder. If you guys ever want a coin, go to Howard Matlock's channel. And one of his videos is going to explain on how you can get a coin. All right? Come on, baby. Let's get a back-to-back win. Tennessee. No singles. Double deuce. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right. Back-to-back. Philly. 21. 41. Chris is number 3. 38's another match. Come on, we don't want too much matches. 28, one off. 37's another match. Come on, baby. I like all these matches, but I'm in Arizona, guys. We get AZ over here, as what Random Red would say. 25. Yeah, okay. Okay, lucky 7. 12. 49ers. Don't mind me double checking, I miss a lot on a couple of my videos. I got back-to-back wins, so I don't want to miss anything. What is that? 38? Come on, baby. It's another match. $33s. 45, one off. 17. Big fat 40. 47, one off. Niners, no singles. 36, one off. No singles. And double 4s. Alright, so we got 4 matches here. 22, 38, 37, and 38, alright? Let's see what we got. Oh! Oh! I didn't expect that. 30, 40, so this could be a 5 to make it a $50 winner. Ha ha! What? OMG! $50 winner. Yeah, 10, 12. I thought it was gonna be a regular $30 winner, but I got this. I got $30 up there. We get a $50 winner. All right. It's a $40 session, so it's already a profit session. All right, so we got these money bags. 2 money bags, and then we got matches over here, so let's get into it. Okay, so start off with this money bag here. Oh, nice, $10. 12. Another $10. And then right down underneath that, is another money bag. Oh! Oh, snap! And then a 40. Yep, 40. And then my number 8. And then number 9. Woohoo! Ah, snap! 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm missing one more. Gambler's 11. Got a hundo! Oh man, thanks, coach. Man, big shout out to my daughter. She sent me $40 and she asked me just to grab any $20 I wanted to grab, and you all know this is my favorite ticket, and instead of going back to back on it, I just went 1 and 1, and look, guys, $150, 150 out of our $40 session. Awesome birthday. Awesome birthday gift. Woo! Big shout out to my daughter. Thank you, Ija. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate it. Awesome. Nice. All right. And if you guys all missed my my birthday scratch video, it's just yesterday, just one video before this one. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys all on the next video. All right.